Turn it up. Now, you can actually move stuff around. So I'm gonna just drag this down. If I drag this off, it's gonna just be floating here. But if I drag this over to the edge here, to this little green bar, it's gonna turn white. It's gonna put the project window over there. So if I go into the menu of Tools, Audio Tool, that's Command 1, I see a little floating audio tool here. Well, I can take this audio tool and I can float this over here and throw this into the corner, and now I have an audio tool on this side. Well, if I wanted to, I could grab this effects window and I could drag this out here. If I put this next to this, it's gonna put this on the side of this next to the project window, which is not necessarily what I want. What I want is to be able to tab back and forth through this. I can go to the bottom here and I can hold in the Option key or the Alt key on a PC, and I can drag it to this edge here, to the margin, and put it there. Now I have bins, end effects, and I can tab back and forth. So here, if I wanted to, I could also go to Tools and go to Markers. And I have a little Markers window. I'm gonna hold in the Option key again and put markers here as well. Well, I can go here to the Windows menu and go to Windows, Workspaces, New Workspace. And I'm just gonna make a new workspace and call this Premiere. And now down here, I have a new workspace called the Premiere Workspace. Now, the tricky thing will be that if I click on the Edit Workspace, it might still be in this workspace because I was changing this around while I was in Edit. I can go to this little flyaway menu and say, in this flyaway menu here, restore it to the default. It's gonna ask me if I'm sure, and now it's back to here. So now I have an Edit Workspace and a Premiere Workspace. You can reorganize and rearrange your workspace however you want to and make that whatever it needs to be.